A public toilet in Lagos is doing more than collecting human waste. It is using biodigester technology to treat sewage on site, transforming it into fertilizer with the long-term goal of returning waste into renewable energy. This is the newly rehabilitated toilet at Ojota Motor Park. It is home to the Weepoo Peepoo to Power pilot project. Instead of relying on septic tanks that require frequent evacuation, the facility uses a biodigester system to break down human waste underground. The project was developed by fellows of the Lateef Jakande Leadership Academy in partnership with the Lagos State Office of Climate Change and Circular Economy. According to one of the engineers from EL-FAD Concept, the sewage solution contractor for the project, the waste passes through a biodigester, filtration unit, and a polishing system before the treated water is discharged in line with environmental standards. The engineer told Ikeja Record the technology was introduced to solve a major challenge with public toilets. Before now, the facility's septic tanks had to be evacuated by trucks every 16 days, increasing maintenance costs and creating disposal challenges. The engineer said the biodigester now breaks down the sewage on site into a treated liquid, eliminating the need for routine evacuation and the associated costs. Rather than leaving behind untreated sewage, the system produces a liquid effluent that is treated to meet environmental standards before it is discharged. According to the engineer, the treated liquid contains nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus, meaning it can potentially be reused for agriculture. At the Ojota Park, however, there are no nearby farms to make use of it, so the treated effluent is safely discharged after treatment. While the system can produce biogas as a byproduct, the engineer says the current focus is on treating sewage, with renewable energy generation remaining a long-term goal. When Ikeja Record visited the facility, the engineers were still putting finishing touches to parts of the project. Shop owners and commercial drivers around the motor park described the initiative as a welcome development. However, one shop owner whose stall is located close to the toilet said an unpleasant odor has been coming from the underground chambers since construction. She urged those behind the project to address the issue. When asked about the complaint, the engineer said the odor is part of the final stage of the installation process and